Greg here. We're just taking a look at managing slides for the slideshow in the Sticky Wicket Simple sites. So we're just going to go to the spot that covers this. Under Content, Slideshow. This is just a module specifically for handling the images that are going to be loaded to the slideshow. We said in our coding that the order that they're going to be displayed in is random. If desired to have them in a specific order, say the order listed here, it's just a matter of letting us know when we make a very quick edit to the templates to get that in place. So right now we're just taking a look at, these are showing kind of all the images. There is a kind of a title for each slide, or a name for it. There's a heading, which if entered will display over top of that slide when it's in place, and a comment as well, which also, if it exists, it will actually display below the heading. There's also a field for a page to link to, where if that is entered or selected when editing, that means that that particular slide has a button that you click on and it will take you to that page. So it gives you the opportunity to set target destinations right from the slides themselves. Any of these, if you do want to change the order, it's just a drag and drop, so I can drag it to another position, and then I just have to click on Save Order, and that's saved. Again, if it's being displayed by random, it doesn't really matter, but in the case that you do have get that turned off, then this would give you that control. If you want to see kind of a larger version right from here without going into Edit, if you click on it, boom, there's the actual image in its maintaining its aspect ratio, and you can actually click through each of the slides right from here, so visually you can see what's there. If you want to deactivate any of the ones, you can either click on the green check mark, which will turn it gray, which means that slide is no longer active, or you can delete it outright. Once deleted, it's taken off the server as well. And if we want to edit, we can just click on the slide name. We can change the slide's name, we can change the heading, we could remove the heading, we can put in a comment, and there's where we select where it's going to go as well. So I'm going to cancel that, and we'll take a look at if I was doing a new slide as well. This will be something completely random, just so you see the process. When I go to the browser, it's opening to the right folder already. I'm just going to select an image from my computer. So let me go see what I got. There might get interesting here. Okay, the image itself is a little bit small, but I've got one. I'm going to upload it. And if we scroll down, we're going to see that image show up in the list. I add it here. And just add some text so you can see what happens. And let's set the place we want it to go. Set to active, so I'll do submit. Great, that one's been added to the bunch. If I come back to the home page and hit reload, we've got an extra marker, and if we scroll through, we're eventually going to see the slide that I've just added. Alright, so in this case my slide wasn't quite big enough, so when it did the crop, it doesn't upsize it, so that's what we end up with. And we'll just do a removal of that one, so I could just deactivate. Right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 images. If I reload, now we're down to 9. Okay, so that one is out of the sequence. Now, if I want to kill it, I just hit delete and it's gone.